A level controller is a special case because it's a non-self-regulating process and you can't use the same tuning rules that you used for steady processes, such as flows, some pressures and temperatures. Instead, ARC-t has a special function for levels. It allows you to set up the tuning in one of two ways. Either you can set up a Laplace transform with a 1/s term included, where you enter the gain and, if necessary, some process dynamics, such as dead time, or even lag, although for most integrators the dynamics should be fast. You can also select whether the flow in or flow out is controlled and whether it's a horizontal or vertical vessel, so that you can see on the left hand side of the screen you can do some setup. Alternatively to entering a Laplace transform, on the right hand side of the screen you can enter the vessel dimensions, and this is actually a more common way of entering the tuning requirements for levels. You need to calculate the volume in the vessel. This can be done by entering the cross-sectional area and the height between the tappings, or you can enter the vessel diameter. You also need to enter the maximum flow expected through the vessel, and you also finally need to enter small t, or the control dynamic speed. For a slow process, 300 seconds or 5 minutes is appropriate. For a faster level, 30 seconds or 1 minute is appropriate. Small f is the maximum flow disturbance. You can enter 20% of large F, and D is the closest alarm limit from the set point. 30% can be used, or a smaller number if you have less leeway between the set point and the closest alarm limit. The software then calculates tight level control settings, averaging level control settings, or an adjustment between tight and averaging, so that you have all of the possible tuning you may need depending on the scenario.